Vanhu vaya panapa vachikondema zimu ravachiti vakaona vezimu ranyarara zvenyu zvamunoda kuzama kuda kuita kunge munoda kuita mainvestigations pamaissues ecorruption ari kuitika munyika yezimbabwe muita ziri kuda kuinvestigata vanhu vari very very influential. Tinongokuzivai kuti maaudits amungada kuita kana mainvestigations amuda kuita ati selective. Vanhu chaivo chaivo vanoonekwa kunzi they are perpetrators, vanhu vari kuluta muri kuvasiya ende munovaziva ndokuva subscribe like on the bell icon. Panapa vanhu panobuda line rokuda chizimu rahunted down Chivhayo zvigananda. Panapa mubuda nepamuchidzi the Zimbabwe Revenue Authority. Zimra has intensified its crackdown on social media influencers, musicians, celebrities, and politicians, flaunting extravagant lifestyles, raising questions over whether high-profile ZANU-PF figures like convicted fraudster Chivhayo will also be scrutinized. Zimra insiders revealed that the tax authority is actively monitoring individuals who live lavishly to assess whether their declared income matches their visible wealth. The move comes amid growing public outcry over unchecked corruption and ostentatious displays of wealth by political connected elites. Chivhayo, a controversial businessman with deep ties to the ruling ZANU-PF party, was recently flagged by South African financial authorities for suspicious transactions involving billions of dollars, despite a criminal conviction for fraud and years of public backlash over questionable government contracts. Chivhayo continues to flaunt wealth on social media, often posing with luxury cars, designer clothes, and large cash payments. Analysts say Zimra's credibility hinges on whether its lifestyle audits will go beyond low-hanging targets like musicians and YouTubers and instead tackle politically shielded figures such as Chivhayo. Sources within Zimra said the authority is relying on open source intelligence, including social media posts and appearances at high-profile events, to build profiles and trigger tax compliance checks. Critics remain skeptical, warning that the audits risk becoming selective and performative if politically exposed persons are not held to the same standards as ordinary citizens. Tomashkwaromdo panapa tuna kuti aiwa Zimra yoda kutora action after panapa tiona kuti the South African authorities vanoreza maflags kuna wiki nochivhayo chinokonzi matransactions ari kuita aiwa ane fraud mukati. Tudze mafunguro enyu kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi pena comment section medu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.